Delhi High Court has quashed income tax reassessment notices issued to NDTV founders Prannoy Roy and Radhika Roy, terming the action legally unsustainable. The court also imposed cost of 2 lakh rupees on the Income Tax Department for misuse of reassessment powers. A division bench of Justices Dinesh Mehta and Vinod Kumar set aside the March 31, 2016 notices and all proceedings arising from them. It directed the department to pay 1 lakh rupees each to the Roys as token cost. The case related to interest-free loans given to the Roys by RRPR Holding Private Limited, NDTV's promoter entity. The tax department had sought to treat notional interest on these loans as deemed income for the 2009-10 assessment year. The court noted that the same assessment year had already been reopened in 2011. After examining NDTV share transactions and funds from RRPR, the assessing officer had made no additions in March 2013. Despite this, fresh notices were issued in 2016 after RRPR's tax jurisdiction changed. The Roys challenged the move in 2017, arguing that a second reopening of the same year was barred. The bench agreed, saying there was no new material to justify reopening the case again. It held that repeated reassessment amounted to harassment and violated principles of fair adjudication. The court also ruled that the proceedings breached constitutional rights under Article 14, Article 19, 1G, and 300A. Related reassessment proceedings against RRPR Holding remain pending before the High Court with a stay on final orders. A separate bench had earlier quashed a notice issued to RRPR in September 2024.